We're kinda out here. Day 14. Raw chicken. We survived day 13. Maybe the numbers ain't shit. It's a windy day. My bloating is gone. That's pretty good. Actually, the yesterday night's raw chicken cured my bloating. I don't know what was that. I don't like bloating. It's a sign something ain't going right. And when I ate the raw chicken, bloating was gone for the rest of the night. And no bloating today. We got a flat ass stomach once again. Thank you, raw chicken. Okay. What are the things the elite freaks are doing to control us? The basics. They got the basics down. They got the basics on lock. Divide and conquer. Divide us on separate teams and then make us fight each other. That's the basic one. And that's so easy, even for me, anybody else, to fall into. I'm on the raw chicken team now. I'm on the raw meat team. Fuck the vegans. Fuck everybody else. Let's fight. But I try to not care what anybody else is and find the truth myself. I'm not here to say what you should eat. I'm here to share my experience. It does feel though that the raw meat, it's got something going. But the teams, I'm on this team. I identify with this thing. You identify with the opposite thing. So you suck. I don't like you. In the end, all of those things are so meaningless. You like this football team. You don't eat honey. You don't eat bee vomit. I love honey. What else? That was kind of stupid example. I am a bodybuilder. This is the way to go. Everybody else weak. Bodybuilding is extremely unhealthy. You are a body destroyer, actually. When you let go of the identities, just be you. It feels so unnatural. Like, I'm this, I'm that. Just be. It feels so bad to box yourself. And then your whole life might revolve around this one big meaningless thing. Because one time in your life you were so passionate about it. Like that one time, it was the coolest shit ever in your life. And then you made your whole identity so strongly correlated with that. And now you're just living this past dream kinda. Don't be a boxed slave. Always be thinking. Keep your mind open. Open-minded people. Where are they? Where the hell are they? They are pretty hard to find. And sometimes it is kinda hard to keep my mind open. Sometimes there are those stumbling blocks when the old programming creeps in. But hey, we eating raw chicken online. We have a pretty open mind over here. Just be. Open your mind. Think. Experience. Don't be in a teammate. It's kinda dumb. Don't identify with this meaningless bullshit. You can enjoy it. You don't have to become it. Anyways, it's a quick one. See ya.